In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter in Smartsheet. Filtering in Smartsheet is a simple way to focus on only the rows that matter to you. Instead of scanning a large sheet, you can create a filter that shows a specific subset based on a column and a value. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will be able to set up a new filter and save it so you can use it again whenever you need it. First, open your sheet. This is the spreadsheet you want to work with, the one that contains the data you want to narrow down. Make sure you are viewing the sheet in the main workspace with your columns and rows visible. Taking a moment here is important because the filter will apply to the data in the sheet you are currently on, not a different file or a different tab. Once your sheet is open and the data is visible, you are ready for the next step. Next, click Filter. In Smartsheet, the filter option is where you begin configuring the rules for what rows should appear. Depending on your view and layout, the filter control is typically located near the top area of the sheet interface. When you click Filter, you should see Filter Settings or a panel appear, signaling that Smartsheet is ready for you to build a new filter. This step matters because filtering is not applied until you set up specific criteria. Now click New Filter. This tells Smartsheet that you want to create a fresh filter instead of using an existing one. When you select New Filter, the interface will guide you through choosing what to filter and what condition to use. If you already have filters on the sheet, choosing New Filter ensures you are not accidentally changing something you rely on. After you click New Filter, you should be looking at options that help you select the column and value. Then choose the column to filter. Think about the kind of question you are trying to answer, such as finding records for a particular project, category, owner, status, or date-related value. The column you pick will determine what filterable information you are targeting. For example, if you need to view only tasks that are in a certain status, you would select the status column. Take a moment to ensure you select the correct column, because the filter will compare your chosen value to the entries in that column for every row. After selecting the column, select the value you want. This is the specific item or text that the rows must match in order to be included by the filter. You may see a list of available values, or you may be able to type or choose the appropriate one based on how your sheet is set up. Selecting the right value is key because it directly controls which rows will show up. Once you choose the value, Smartsheet will prepare to filter the sheet according to that criteria. Finally, click Save. Saving is what locks in your filter configuration, so it remains available for you. After you click Save, you should see the filter applied, or you may see it listed among your available filters. Either way, saving confirms that your work is not lost and that the filter is ready to use again. This is an important step, especially if you plan to return to the sheet later or share it with others. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.